Hey everybody, this is Dan from Sescom. We're here at the AES NAB show 2019 down in New York City, booth 541. Really happy to be here. Just wanted to give you a little rundown of some of our products. Sescom, you might know of us from our IL-19 series of hum eliminators. Been really popular for years now. We have rack mount versions, phantom blockers, ground lift phase reversals, really great studio tools. We have our whole line of cables built in Saugerties, New York, all hand-built, on-air lights, VU meters. We're really happy to introduce our latest offering, our Audio over Fiber series. You can see these all here. We offer 2, 4, and 8 channel fiber extenders. You can get up to 12 miles over a single fiber line, mic or line level. Really great for sound reinforcement, for those long cable runs. Fiber's non-conductive, so you don't have to worry about hum, anything like that. For more information about our new audio over fiber kits or any of our products, you can check out Sescom.com, and all our products are available through Markertek.com, so hit up Markertek for all your Sescom needs.